Don't feel guilty about forgetting something.
I must know your name.
My name?
Your brain made you do it.
We threw out his name!
We get bombarded with endless information, so the brain has to be selective, tossing out a memory unless it's told, hey, this one's important. Keep it. To be clear, we're not talking about disease or injury or age, just a normally functioning organ that prefers tidiness. Without forgetting, we would have no memory at all. That's the way an assistant professor in psychology at McGill University puts it. It comes down to clutter. If a brain stored everything, it would be jam-packed with useful information plus mounds of mental tchotchkes. Researchers say that a primary function of the brain is to make sound decisions for us. And for that, it needs easy access to useful information. Got to keep things clean. The default dustbuster approach results in active forgetting. One type of this process is the intrinsic variety. Researchers at the Scripps Research Institute, led by Dr. Ron Davis, found that in fruit flies, the neurotransmitter dopamine helps form memories and to forget them. Not long after a new memory is formed, dopamine-primed neurons begin to erase it. Fellow experts think this same process would make sense in human brains too. Dr. Davis believes the process occurs because cells are inclined to return to the structure that existed before that new memory changed it. But if it's deemed important, the dopamine is redirected and the new memory stays. Then there's neurogenesis, the creation of new neurons in the brain, and that can affect forgetting too. Basically, research indicates that when new neurons are formed by new memories, they can overlap with neurons holding older memories and make it more difficult, in some cases impossible, to retrieve all of that older memory. This is thought to explain why children are prone to forget things. Their constant neuron generation is overriding the old memories. We tend to put a premium on an ironclad, detailed memory, but science is beginning to show our brain's mission is to not remember everything, only holding on to what's important. It's constantly in spring cleaning mode. Maybe a little overzealous at times, but it's doing its best. And don't you forget it.